Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Motorola Razr 70 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons. So we have a side button on the right side right here. As you guys can see now, whenever we press it, we increase our volume. And of course, we can do the same to lower it. But what we're interested in is we're interested in changing the call volume. That's why we open up the phone app and check if we can change it here. So as you guys can see, sometimes it may not work properly. That's why you can also go and change it in the settings. Sometimes there's an option that you can change your call volume while you press the volume up while being in a phone app. Sometimes it's just not accessible. That's why we go to sound and vibration, and here we have the call volume. So now we increased it all the way to the right, and that's what we should do. Next, we're going to disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. That's why we open up connected devices, click connection preferences, select Bluetooth, and tap it off. As you guys can see now, it is disabled, and now there's no way that any other device can pair and connect to ours. So if that did not help, make sure to turn it back on if you're a fan of Bluetooth. And of course, what are we going to do next is we have a little bit of an earpiece right up top here. You can see the little dots, and of course we're going to clean them. So what you need for a clean like this, I would recommend using an air compressor. I do not have it, or a soft brush. You can try and also use the microfiber cloth, but sometimes you may just not get everything out of there. So this is totally up to you what you use. I would recommend using the air compressor. And now what are we going to do is we're going to restart the smartphone. So we're going to press the power button, volume up button at the same time. So let's try that again. And we are finally here. Now what are we going to do is we're going to press on a restart. The phone will start restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, we're going to unlock the phone, and as a last resort, we're going to go into the settings. Here we need to scroll down until we see system and tap on reset options. Here we reset the mobile network settings and click on reset settings, click it again, and now you have a confirmation at the bottom. And that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.